it's without a doubt that the Pixel 6a is one of the best mid-range smartphones on the market. And the Pixel 6a is a phone that I really enjoy using. But should you buy this phone in 2023? But stick around to hear my thoughts and opinion right after this intro. What's up guys, it's Ryan here with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about my experience with the Pixel 6a and all its strengths and weaknesses and whether you should buy it in 2023. So if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my next video. But before I get into it, I want to wish you guys a happy and prosperous new year, and I hope you guys accomplish everything you set out to accomplish. So the Pixel 6a has been out for approximately 6 months now, and personally I think it has held its place among the mid-range smartphones on the market. And when I say mid-range, I'm talking about smartphones between the price of $350 and $650. And for a phone this price and size, it packs a lot of performance. At the core of the Pixel 6a is the Google Tensor chipset that can also be found in their flagship Pixel 6 Pro. And I'm assuming that due to the efficiency of this Tensor chip, along with the 4410 mAh battery, you're able to get great battery life, over 24 hours on a single charge, and Google claims you can get up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver, which I think is something that the ordinary person won't pay attention to, but it's nice to know that you have it if you need it. The design of the Pixel 6a is different from the previous generation. It is mostly made of glass with an alloy frame. The back of the phone is made of a thermoformed composite glass, which Google claim should be very durable. The Pixel 6a has an alloy frame and a Gorilla Glass display. So the Pixel 6a comes in 3 colors: Chark, which is their white color, Sage, which is their green color, and Charcoal, which is their black/gray color. And the Charcoal is the one that I chose because I wanted to put a red case on it, and I didn't think that the red would look good on the other colors. The Pixel 6a has a camera bar compared to the camera bump you typically see on smartphones. This is a unique feature that I only see on the new Pixel phones, and I like the look of it. It has both power and volume rocker button on the right side. It charges via USB-C, and the speakers puts out really good sound. And to be quite frank, it's a little punchier than my iPhone. The phone feels good in the hand as it is not too big or too small. I would say it's a perfect size for using with one hand. Now let's talk about the display. So the Pixel 6a has a 6.1 1080p OLED 60Hz display that gets really bright, so you won't have any trouble using it outdoors. Even though the display is OLED and not AMOLED, the quality is still there. Viewing content is smooth, and you get a really tactile feedback from the display while typing. If you're used to a 120Hz display, the 60Hz of the Pixel 6a might feel a little laggy, but it was fine for me because I still use my iPhone 12 Pro Max and it is 60Hz as well, so I didn't have any problem using the Pixel 6a 60Hz display. Oh, and before I forget, there is a fingerprint reader beneath the display that works, but your finger has to be in the right position in order for it to work every time. Now let's talk about the camera, which is where I found my most shocking discovery. The Pixel 6a actually takes lovely pictures to an extent where I could compare it to my iPhone pictures. The Pixel 6a has a dual rear camera system, which includes a 12.2 megapixel wide camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. It also has something called dual pixel phase detection autofocus, which compares pixel within the image to determine the correct focus distance. Pretty cool feature, but one that most users won't even notice. The videos are also good, nothing spectacular, just the regular 4K up to 60 frames a second, as well as portrait, time-lapse, and slow motion, which I would recommend sticking with the wide camera. Honestly, anything that's camera related, I would stick to the 1x wide camera because that is where you get the best quality, whether it's photos or videos. The front camera is nothing special, just an 8 megapixel camera that is there for video calls and selfies if you choose to use it. But what makes the Pixel 6a special is not just its camera or its physical features. The secret sauce is embedded in its software and its tight integration with Google Assistant. I know that voice assistants are on almost every smartphone, but due to the fact that the Pixel 6a was made by Google, Google Assistant tend to work better than it would on a Samsung smartphone. The Pixel 6a has features such as tap to start, which allows you to tap the back of the phone to access your digital assistant. You can also use this feature to open selected apps, pause or play media, or take a screenshot. If you're big on security, this phone is a good option for you because you can actually turn off the camera and microphone so it can't be accessed by any app without your permission. There's also another feature called adaptive battery. This allows your phone to charge slowly overnight and only gets to 100% right before your morning alarm goes off. One of the features that fascinates me is that you can use your camera to do a Google search. And doing this is very simple. All you have to do is point the camera at anything you want to look up, then tap and hold on it. You will realize that the Pixel 6a will search the web for similar items, providing text and information. How cool is that? But as I always say, nothing is perfect. And with the Pixel 6a, there is no Face ID and there is no wireless charging, despite the fact that it has a front-facing camera. The Pixel 6a also taps out at 60 Hz. So if you're looking for a phone that is 120 Hz, you might want to check out my Samsung A53 video. I'll make sure I link it in the description below. So in conclusion, I would say that the Pixel 6a is the smartest mid-range smartphone on the market, and it would definitely make most users happy, especially if you're not looking for a high refresh rate. Honestly, with the Pixel 6a, you get great features, and I would definitely recommend the Pixel 6a as one of the top 3 mid-range smartphones on the market. Well guys, that's it for this video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.